0-0. Peep Show receiving. One nothing. Peep Show leading Birds 1-0. Pulling. Tailing out again. Whoa. Wow. The entire line offsides. 2-0 Peep Show. What a throw. 2-1. Birds pulling down 2-1. Three to 1. 3-1 Peep Show pulling. Birds pulling down 2-3. Oh, he wanted to throw that so bad. think the discussion is if it was a stall or not. Not. Contested stall. It's a turn there. It's not your check pistol if you're watching this. It's closest player to the disc. Uh-oh. That was a really aggressive throw.
Yeah, I would have floated there.
I don't know. He aimed it so far to the left.
Yeah.
The guy had a lot of horizontal ground to make up. Yeah, he's playing pretty solid. Yeah, he's really been improving. I don't. Well, anyway. He's getting really good chop with his cuts, but he's getting really good chop with his cuts that he wasn't earlier in the season. Three. Four three. 4-3 Peep shot. Four. I've played for several teams where if you don't, you're just like not allowed to handle an offense anymore.
You don't catch it?
Yeah.
I mean, it's a weird angle or something, I'll let it go, but that was the easy.
That's unfortunate there. I wonder if he didn't see it coming. And it's kind of like, oh, you're throwing to me? Or if that's just like a stone drop. Oh, I would have thrown that. You got the wind at your back, got that OI edge. Oh, he wants a big cross. Doesn't have it though. He called a pick, but he like ran around the front of the pair. Like the guy went through between the two women, and like if he had just gone through there too, there was room for him. When's your trivia this week? That is your voice, correct. Okay, we'll see where like time out. Oh. Oh. You see the play call? Yeah. 5-4 birds. Bowling. Don't think a single player was onside either. Hey guys, 5-4 birds.
Oh, Birds lost their game? Oh, okay. Do you know where Gink is?
He's down Somalis, I think.
Yeah. Oh, okay. Alright.
One of your jerseys stands out nicely. See, because he does. Maybe it's not a travel the more I think about it. Caught it. And I don't know. Was that 4 or 2 steps? I don't know. Yeah, he didn't slow down, but you don't have to slow down if you throw it before your third point of contact with the ground. That's aggressive looking. I'm filming the wrong half of the field. My bad. 6-4. 6-4. Birds pulling to Peep Show. Leading 6-4. That's a nice bid. He looks hurt. I keep watching the game through the field and the camera and like looking up and I'm pointing at the wrong half of the field or something. Pick. Definitely. From the body language, I'm not saying it was or not. Definitely called one. I'm totally focusing on this game. Not in? In? Yeah, whatever. Birds leading 6-5. Oh. Yeah. That was a full field throw. No, I mean not literally, but. I don't like that cut. Why would you make that cut? 6-6. Is that a drop pole? That's slightly after. 7-6 half. Or no, not half, but. Peep Show leading Birds 7-6. Poland. It was not half. I forgot games are to 15 today. Pole is out of bounds. We all get to sit together and hear a wonderful story now. While they walk the pole, taking forever. 25 years ago, I met a man. His name? Anyway, fine. They're in play. No, they're still not. I lied. Even worse. Sevens. Galaxy point. Next point, no matter what is happening. I can turn the camera away. I keep watching the field. Wait. Oh. Sometimes when I zoom in, I only see like 2 or 3 players wearing black. And then I see a guy in white. And I'm like, why'd those 2 white dudes D each other? But it's Pistol wearing that baby blue as a dark. Really threw me off. I legitimately thought that those were 2 defenders on. Oh, somebody will emerge out in the front. Nope. Not bad. It's also like because the screen is at an angle. It's not really clear. Was that Tom cursing because of the throw or Pistol cursing because he missed the bit? I just heard the cursing and couldn't identify the voice. Point guard? I was trying to zoom in. Should be half, 8-7 birds. 8-7 birds receiving out of half. I'm late on the camera, but their ball is actually bad. Old shot. Yeah. You don't know what your thrower's throwing? Ooh. I had no idea if I was aiming at the right people or not. 9-7. Oh, you're fine.
How's Peep doing?
They're down 9-7.
To be fair, you're wrong. To be fair.
Oh, you're good, thanks. Oh. They're pretty breathable in general. They're not bad at all.
Yeah, but like.
Also, letting it hold the humidity.
Right.
9-8. Peep Show polling down 9-8.
Like, I suppose you can decide to terminate earlier, but not.
Now under the new rules, you can't do that.
No captain spot?
No, this. Catching an out-of-bounds pull as a sideline player
Oh,
and
did he
sending
catch
in.
it?
Yeah, you're allowed to do that as a player now. Under the new rules, you can't.
Are they using 12th there?
Can't imagine. They're certainly not using the 15-second clause.
All right.
Saying USA put in a couple of these actual. I thought you were talking about the proposal.
No, that's what I mean. Would have had pictures. Would have had video.
Plays home.
No, Ghazi's not that kind of a doubter.
What's a sliver?
10-8.
That's
So many consecutive incomplete.
I'm gonna say, remember the number 37.
Yes, Pistol just got injured. That's not.
Oh, no. I'm not saying remember the. That's
And the rules.
He said something.
Yeah, and he caught it. And he had caught it again later.
the whole stick.
They had a worse goal to third position. They have a worse goal to third position.
Did not get the camera around in time.
They're minus 39.
Give a quick description of what happened.
Yeah, maybe he wasn't going to have the semis on this one. That's twice in a row. Two guys in a row going through their throw.
We'll go through that.
Give them the cowbell.
Send it. Soft. Now's not the game to be calling such things, whoever said that over there. No, just pot kettle.
What do you mean by podcast? There we go, bud. I've been recording the whole time.
That's why he's been watching Red.
Let's go!
No, it's just like watching. You didn't say you were.
Oh, they're gonna like start looking at this video and they're like, he's listening to this cowbell.
I have a trivia night later. I gotta reread the trivia night later.
I really want. If there's one thing I'm good at, it's knowing dumb shit about literally anything. So I can fuck up a trivia.
I'll do the Harry Potter trivia night.
Do they ask like questions or?
Last year there was like a variety. There's one like super easy and but the team.
What was it? What was the hardest question you remember?
I don't remember. I remember they asked the town that the Weasleys live in.
When that got let go, I thought that was a count.
Oh my goodness.
Oh.
He was aiming at her.
That was
100% is one, which is less than. What do we got now?
Emma said 5. 5 out of 7.
Score.
Sorry, I have scores tens.
What was that?
Tens?
No one mentioned.
I said maybe.
Is this one the 15?
Yes.
What happened to her head? Did Janet elbow her? Like, Kendra was holding the back of her head.
I'm watching the screen here. I can't actually see the action when I do that. I'm sorry.
That means the screen doesn't have a good enough view on the action.
Yeah.
I was waiting. I was
Oh. Yikes. Birds pulling up 11-10.
Because you just put so much effort into it. You literally just run a 70 and then get the beat and you can know. I think if people are yelling inside,
I know, right?
like from behind, like where you're pulling.
I can see you pointing out of my peripheral, Gimp, and I know what you're saying. I see you pointing and I know what you're referring to. And I'm like not even looking at you. Like, yes.
When you're running, you jump before you land. I think it's, you know what, I'm looking at the carrots.
Did you see those two, Emma? That one? Nice. 11-11. Because it happened after the roster deadline was due, they're not allowed to change it at that point.
I know, but it's like,
I assume. I don't actually know that.
yeah, Matt!
Uh-oh. You see it? Aw. Should have turned it.
Let's go, show!
See, and that won't be legal either under the new rules. Under the new rules, they can only throw the disc to the media line.
Look at your hat. Look at your hat.
There's the call. There's the call. Be patient. Do you guys know the rules if you're overreacting over this? Just checking.
What?
Like in time stuff.
They're both going the other way. He hit the disc.
That's not relevant.
Almost like his body hit his ready.
But you did.
Yes, he does.
Who you guys playing for the championship tomorrow?
No idea.
No, walking back is pretty that
Papa Smurf fan says. Which one's that? Foley Stone. Oh yeah. With like Foley and Pistol and all our friends. I like them. We've played them a lot over the years. They're one of the longer teams. They're tough ones. Yeah, only once because the other one got rained out. And they're missing people that week. It should be a good game. Like I think Saval was out that week, right?
She didn't play.
Oh right. Yeah. It should be a good game. You guys should come watch.
I'm not making it.
There's picnic food.
I didn't know.
Right when I looked at it, I saw that there was
I didn't go 230, right?
Right. Anyway, Peep Show leads 12-11 and is pulling.
Have you had someone break their leg and they kicked you?
Okay, not everyone's as strong as you, Ann.
Coming up in a minute.
Someone tried to kick you.
Playing soccer, yeah.
Oh, yeah.
But it was a guy. Their leg. He broke his leg when he kicked me.
And he got carded.
And he got carded. I was not wearing shin guards.
She had this bruise.
It wasn't that big. There was a bump though. Definitely a bump.
I feel like the gust really affected that. Their horns.
Soft, yeah.
It's soft.
No.
What time do you guys need to be over there? Isn't that like right now?
Shattered my hip. At work. So we should head over there pretty soon. But Harris is over there, so when Harris leaves, but I was playing soccer and I fractured the ball joint in my hip.
Ouch. How did you manage that?
Because it was a travel.
Oh! That was a really aware D.
So I was literally.
Or maybe not. I wasn't actually looking at the matchup until after it happened.
You know?
But that still doesn't make you shatter your head.
You made an athletic play regardless.
Yeah.
You remember, what was it, like 5? Left!
Aaron.
And remember those Nike cleats that had the little thing you can insert it on and track how far you ran and everything?
Wait, what?
There was a bunch of Nike cleats, but under the insole, there was like a little Nike technology thing that you can insert in and track how far you ran.
Yeah.
By the time, I remember getting the data back, and I had ran 11 miles in 15 minutes. And because I just overworked my legs so much, when I went to kick it, literally I heard,
Wait. How much?
11 miles in 15 minutes.
Timed it better than that.
Running just back and forth. I used to be able to
Not
run.
even 5-minute mile. 11?
Well, that's what the technology said. Whether or not it was accurate is different.
Oh.
Oh, that.
No, Aaron wears the red hat.
None of them have a red hat today.
Aaron has the mustard colored one.
Yeah.
Keep working, Joe. Let's get it. He's under. Hey, nice job. Again.
Stay with the man!
Roll. Mellow tight. Mellow you're hot. Roy, you're hot. Up. Let's do show. Here we go. Let's do it. Let's do it.
Can you stall before they tap it back in?
In that situation, yes. Not in every situation.
Let's get it.
Why in that
Because the disc is in play.
Whoa.
So, like,
Set those.
boo, lose your fantasy points. Full enough?
It's good to like pull up, just extracting it into a Excel sheet is a little bit harder than I would like it to be.
Yeah.
But it's good because I have airdrop, so I can just like flop it in.
You're up 3. You're on the one you have to like go halfway through before the end of the
That's the one I'm talking about. That swing there. Oh, okay, yeah, sorry. I don't like the swing there just for the sake of the swing. Like, if you're going to get something out of it, maybe. But, like, they swung and then there was no one. Coming back on a pick.
No way the guy won.
It's not a turn at least.
He did have the catch that though.
Emma.
Yeah.
Aaron is really bad about traveling.
That was a lot of steps. Aaron? Oh, you mean like walking traveling, not like traveling.
You're allowed 3 steps, yes?
You're allowed 3 steps.
Get him started.
but, like,
Get him started.
Choppy steps to stop is like a gray area.
No, neither of those are the rules. Neither of those are correct.
Wise to give and go.
And even then, it's you have to throw it before the third goal.
All the hills.
No. 13-11. Peep Show leading Birds 13-11. Oh, what a shot. Uh-oh. Should be to 15 at this point, right? I don't remember which point it was doing, so maybe it is to 14. Oh, get over Antonio.
Set that throw.
Birds pulling down 13-12. Hard cap is on. If Birds ties it here, then they'll play another. Woo! I turned away from that, I think. I don't know if I got that. And point left on the mark. Matthias. Come on, Matthias. Come on, Matthias. He's going, he's going. I would have done that. Universe. Yeah. Universe point here. Birds pulling to Peep Show. Oh, landed in. Yeah, Foley's good.
Oh no, he wasn't ready.
Oh!
Pulled away from catching.
Game Birds.